Hello guys, my name's Alex. Just started this vlogging thing. I picked up an engine right there. I don't know if you guys can see it. I'm gonna do a build. I got two builds actually. I'll show you guys once I get home. I'll do a quick video recording if it's not too much snow on the cars. I'm here in Twin Falls, Idaho. Getting putting gas in, trying to make it back home to Burley. This will be video one of who knows however many it takes to get these cars done. I know I'm gonna do two different car builds. A 2003 Mitsubishi Eclipse. 2003 Mitsubishi Lancer. I'll probably do some random videos here and there too of snowboarding, just everyday life things, I guess. Yeah, that's it for now. I'll upload some more stuff for you guys here once we get this build started. Hope you guys enjoy the content, and yeah, 2020 should be a good time. See ya. 'Got that 4G64 420 Evo manifold, throttle body, dual overhead. My buddy's, he got the fuel output on already. My buddy's 2.3 liter stroker kit, 4G63. I'm gonna be putting in his what's it called? His GS, his RS actually. Alan's is a GS. Got our work cut out for us. What up, guys? So here's my 2003 Mitsubishi Lancer. It's just a base model. It's not even a nosy rally. I did get some Rally Art seats that I put in there. I got the Ozy Rally lips, Evo spoiler, you know, some projectors. Changed out the thong grill to a open grill. Transmission cooler. It is automatic. I plan to do a transmission swap and dual overhead swap and all sorts of goodies for this. Pistons, rods, you name it, I guess. I am sitting on some, you can't see, but I am sitting on some Megan racing coilovers on this thing. Got a lot of road race motorsport stuff on it. It's decent for what it is. I did mess up the engine. The timing belt snapped on me one day, so I gotta replace that. And then I have my 03 Eclipse. Got that carbon fiber hood on it. You can see that. Looks real pretty. It's a 2003 GS. Got some drilled slaughter brakes, Enkei rims. The purple, actually. I got big plans for this thing too. It's been a pain in the ass, honestly. There you can see that purple a little better right here. I don't know. And it's dirty. It's been sitting for about a month, maybe a month now. Lost compression in one of the cylinders, and it just don't work as of right now. But yeah, those are the two cars I'm planning on working on here throughout this year. Hopefully I can get them up and running the way I want, and help anybody out with any questions or anything with the builds that I'm doing if they want to try to do the same thing. But I'm going back inside. It's freaking cold out here. Look out for the new videos and everything. That's that, I guess. Peace.